Welcome back to our channel. Today, we are focusing on the DELF B2 exam, an important milestone for anyone looking to advance their French skills. Whether you're preparing for academic pursuits, professional opportunities, or just want to refine your language abilities, this video is for you. What is DELF? DELF, or Diplôme d'études en langue française, is an official certification awarded by the French Ministry of Education, validating your proficiency in French. The DELF includes 4 levels, A1, A2, B1, and B2. B2 is considered upper intermediate, where you can understand and communicate complex ideas. Importance of DELF B2. Achieving the DELF B2 diploma indicates that you can interact fluently and spontaneously with native speakers, as well as produce clear, detailed texts on various topics. This level is especially important for those looking to study in French-speaking countries or pursue careers in bilingual environments. Exam structure. The DELF B2 exam consists of 4 main components: listening, reading, writing, and speaking. Each section tests different skills and is essential for demonstrating your overall proficiency. The listening section lasts about 30 minutes. You'll listen to recordings, such as interviews or lectures, and answer questions to show your understanding. Practice with diverse audio materials to improve your comprehension and ability to grasp nuanced information. Reading. In the reading section, which also lasts 30 minutes, you'll analyze a variety of texts, such as articles and essays. You'll need to identify main ideas, infer meaning, and recognize the author's tone. Regular reading of French literature and current events can enhance your skills here. The writing section takes about 60 minutes. You'll write 2 texts, a formal letter or email, and an argumentative essay. Focus on structuring your arguments clearly, using appropriate vocabulary, and ensuring grammatical accuracy. Scoring criteria. Each section is scored out of 25 points, with a total of 100 points needed to pass. The examiners assess your performance based on fluency, coherence, vocabulary, and grammatical precision. Demonstrating your ability to communicate effectively and confidently is key. Preparation tips. To prepare for DELF B2, develop a structured study plan that includes dedicated time for each component. Engage with French media, books, films, and podcasts to immerse yourself in the language. Practice with mock exams to familiarize yourself with the test format and time constraints. Join a community. Joining a study group or online community can be incredibly beneficial. Collaborating with others allows for speaking practice, sharing resources, and gaining motivation from fellow learners. Stay positive. Finally, keep a positive attitude. Learning a language is a journey with ups and downs. Celebrate your progress and stay committed to your goals. Thank you for watching our overview of the DELF B2 exam. We hope this video has equipped you with valuable insights and strategies for your preparation. If you found this helpful, please like, subscribe, and share it with other learners.